Are you having trouble working out what props to use for your product photos? Well, today I'm going to show you how to make some quick and simple and very cheap props just from some A4 pieces of paper. Are you ready? Let's get started. Okay, so here I have 3 origami paper props that I have made. I'm going to drop the links in the description for the tutorials I use to make these origami props. So here we have a hexagon, and what I've done is I've actually just unfolded part of the hexagon there to create a little stand so that it will stand up. I've also done that with this heart over here. Just by pulling out the back of the heart, I have again made a nice simple stand for that. And then the last one here is probably the most simple of them all. This is just literally some concertined paper that I have just folded up, and you can just stand that in the background to give you some different shapes and different textures. Now, these are great. They're going to look amazing in the photos, especially when you fold them really nice and neatly, and take your time actually doing the folding to really work out how exactly they are going to look the best. You can also work with different colored paper. I've just been working with white paper because that's all I had on hand at the moment, but you can get colored paper pretty cheaply from your local stationery store or art store. So make sure you have a look at using different colored paper and have a play around with the different types of paper and colors that's going to fit with your product, your brand. So make sure you're always thinking about that. Alright, so that is it for today's video. I know this was a very short just introduction to origami props. If you do want to learn more about origami props, just have a look on YouTube or just do a Google search for origami, and you can actually learn lots of different shapes and different creatures that you can create to include in your product photos. Of course, it just depends how much time you want to invest in learning origami. It might be a useful skill that maybe you want to start including origami in your shop as well. If you do want to learn more about what you can do with paper props, let me know in the comments or give this video a thumbs up to show that you have enjoyed this, because I can do another video on paper props where we actually get some scissors out and start cutting up the paper to create different shapes and patterns within our picture as well. So let me know if you want a video on that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next week. Bye bye.